at 129 meter away from the foot of the cliff on the level of the ground. The angle of elevation of the top of the cliff is a 300. Actually, it is 300 meter. The height of this cliff. It's a very basic question. Let's work out on it. So here we are. There's a cliff. The distance is 129 meters, and the angle of elevation is given to us, that is 30 degree. It's degree 30 degree. What is the height of the cliff? So tan 30 is equal to, this is height, so the perpendicular by base h by 129, and tan 30, which is 1 by root 3. When I simplify this, I get this h is equal to 129 by root 3. But the options are in a different format, so rationalize it by multiplying root 3 by root 3. So you will be getting this as 4 and 3, 43 root 3. Check, do you have option 43 root 3? Yes, 43 root 3. That's your answer. So please subscribe this channel. Whenever I post a new video, you will get the notification of it.